Hey guys, welcome back to Sam Ham. Today, I'm doing a mix. I'm doing Pets and Max eggs, 3 different ones, Lego minifigures, 3 of them, and 1 Pokemon pack. I'm doing the eggs last, actually, because I have codes. First, I'm going to do Pokemon, because I can do something rare. Alright, what type of pack do we have? We have Silver Tempest. Alright. Code card. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. V-Star. Don't know what that is. And 3 to the front. We have a poncho. Alright, slug. No idea how to say that. Most of these I don't know how to say. Alright, and then that looks good. Alright, next we're doing some Legos. And later I'll say the price of how much that is. And so now we have 3 packs. It says you need scissors. No. They don't know me. Alright, this one, I don't know what it is. No! Nope, I know this one. I'll show you build it to it, and then I'll say it at the end. Even if you can't tell. Doesn't come with how to build this one. Well, yeah, I guess I have to guess how to build it. But I hate when you have to guess. So first of all, I have a present on the stand. Then we kind of have right here. You're gonna know what I put on the top part. And here's where you're gonna know. It's a reindeer. With a little heart-shaped cookie. Which I already have an elf, but I didn't do it in this video. I did it earlier today. Let's set it up. Alright, this is what we have right here. Next one. This one, I know what this one is as well. So, let me grab it. That's trash. So, once I have the first 3 things set up, you're gonna tell. Wow. Oh, this is stuck on. There we go. Alright, so if you couldn't tell, it's like a little fairy. Probably tooth fairy. So, once we have this last bit set, then I'll show you the finished product. And then put it on the stand. Alright, and we have the tooth fairy, I think. Some type of fairy. Alright, final one. Oh, I know this one. Which I'm going to say it straight away. It's the robot. Which this is the newest series. Yeah, they're like sold out basically everywhere. My dad tried to find some, but he couldn't. I had to get this one from Santa. There's one bit of it I can't do. Alright, there we go. And the last one, so it's a Technic plate with a robot. Next, like normal, with these ones, I'm doing the code later. So with this one, I have 2 of these. I said 3. I have 1 of these. Then another big boy. So first we're doing the 2-packs, the easiest to open, and the rare code, which I really never used. I'm used to the epic, legendary, and exclusive. Hate that. Hate that. So close. Alright, come on. I'd stab it with a screwdriver. Oh, and it just flew right out. And 2 rare codes, a wood one, each ball, 2 greens. Let's get opening these eggs. I just poked myself with the tool I'm using. I'll use a different tool once I get this one done. A lot more trash for today. And I hope you had a good Christmas. Hope you got everything you wanted. I got a lot of Pet Sim stuff. You will see it later. They're not posted by now, but for you they will be. This is just the cherry on top. The second part of Christmas for me. Because I go to my grandparents' house. So yesterday I went to my mom's side. Today I went to my dad's. 2 green eggs done. And I'm going on to the wood egg. Final egg. Alright. Green eggs first. Rainbow pig. And rainbow dog. Snow leopard, which I have. Trash. Loud car. Trash. Next, the white egg. Ooh, new one. Blue fish. So far, we have 2 new ones. Ah, bear. Have a bear already. I'm kind of putting each one with their egg real quick. So, well, I'm going to put it back later. Next, we go to this one. This one comes with ice egg, steampunk egg, and 2 green eggs. Which I've already gotten so much huges today. Check them out on my YouTube channel. That's where you'll find them. I'll try to get one more of these codes. Wrong way. There we go. 1 green egg. Two green eggs done. Last time I did an egg video was today. I don't think I've ever done a steampunk. No, I haven't. So steampunk we're doing last. Ice egg I've had one, so I'm putting third. Second to last. Alright, green egg. Pig. Have a pig already. I have 2 rainbow ones too. Normal cat. These better be stuffed good. So far I only have 2 new stuff. It's ice egg. I got another snow leopard. No, this is snow fox. Actually I have 3 new things. I have a leopard, not a fox. This one. Oh. What the? This one I need to assemble. First time I need to assemble something. It's steampunk dragon. These 2 come separate, and you have to do that. That's so cool. Alright, so I'm doing rare to least rare. Pig. Cat. Bear. Fish. Two winter squirrels. So kind of gotta put back. A rainbow cat, and my favorite is bluff one. Really cool. Alright, bye.